Number 20, Surah Taha. This is a Makki Surah. It was revealed some time before the Hijrah to Abyssinia. It is also mentioned that the recitation of this surah by Umar's sister led to his conversion to Islam. This took place sometimes in the 5th year of Prophethood. This surah has 135 verses in 8 sections. The subject matter of the surah is to assure the Prophet and his followers that the message of the Qur'an will eventually succeed. The story of Prophet Moses is mentioned in detail. Then it is mentioned how the enemies of Islam are opposing it and what will be the consequences of this opposition for them. Introduction to the sections. Number 1. Prophet Muhammad is told not to feel distress because of the denial of the unbelievers. Allah knows everything. Remember the story of Moses? Allah called him to the prophethood and gave him special signs. Number 2. Prophet Moses' prayer. Allah commanded Moses and his brother Aaron to give to Pharaoh and give him the message. Allah mentions his favor upon Moses. Number 3. Prophet Moses goes to Pharaoh. The challenge with the Egyptian magicians, the defeat of the magicians and then their conversion. Number 4. Allah saved the children of Israel from Pharaoh. Prophet Moses goes to Sinai. Samari misleads the Israelites and they worship the calf. Number 5. The anger of Prophet Moses. Samari confessed his evil action and he was punished. Number 6. The day of judgment. No intercession will help without Allah's permission. The opponents of the Prophet. Number 7. Devil misleads human beings. Some references to the story of Adam and Iblis. Number 8. The evildoers will be punished. Be patient and offer regular prayers.